If we just keep the camera fixed here, you can see the movement of the trees and the leaves and the waves of the wind, strong winds just flowing over us, over this region. So it's a storm, the third storm in a couple of days, very strong monsoon, rainy time, storms. It's a regular natural phenomenon in South Asian countries like Bangladesh. So from the tree leaves you can see how strong the winds passing over the trees, and also a little bit rain, but after the wind is gone the rains come, a very good rain, heavy rain is coming out. Thanks for watching, have a good day.